Yo, all right, today is October 25th, 2024. Boy, did I do what I was trying to do. I blew the account. I really did. Blew it right out the waters. NQ was being a punk the entire time. A buster to say the least. Um, Let me open up my actual charts for you to see what I was actually looking for, because I haven't used that. I was using not this. I was using BAM this, right? So this is yesterday's price action. NQ gave me some crazy price action. I was trying to buy NQ up into the highs yesterday, um, but when I had the attempts, I think around here, price rally, give me about 2 to 1 and drop. Rally 2 to 1 and drop. And then it really hit here. And then around midday, it decided to actually start slowly rallying up. Right, so right now we've been going up on low volume in a sense. Going to the areas that I want to go right now, we hit that high. And then I would like to see price hit this pre-market high from Wednesday. And this is Wednesday's high. This is Wednesday's pre-market high. This is the high that the CME website has as for the high of the actual day for Wednesday. So I was trying to get at least the first high, and then from there we do have this area here of volume that price fell to rally and drop. So today I'll be trading off of just my demo account. Um, really just working on not taking so many freaking trades. Like yesterday, I knew that I took a lot of trades. It's just really crazy. I hate planning all of this and then just to be wrong. And I think that I want to leave here with something attitude that has been really messing me up. So that's something that I need to work on. What is this? I don't know what is this. That's something I need to work on because yeah, if I keep doing what I've been doing, it's not consistent. So I'm either have to really just focus on just one thing and take away all the other stuff, or um I'm not quite sure because I had ES and NQ, but ES has been at the all-time high, so I kind of been feeling kind of jaded with ES. Um, See, ES is has been dealing with the all-time high area and has been really just being very weird. Like this week when NQ gave me a setup, I didn't take NQ because I never really trade NQ. It would work out. ES would fumble the ball badly, and it's just like I'll wait for ES to move, and NQ's like up over 100 points, and ES has moved maybe 6 points, and I'm like, okay. While I'm watching NQ move, ES has just been misbehaving, right? And ES have been given some weird time setups. Like this is like the time that I said I don't want to trade, which is what's that? 2 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, 12 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. Um, right? And then you get these moves there, but I am mentally exhausted from the morning run of just BS, And also I have to respect the trend. I see VIX going to a level, and I'm like, okay, VIX is going to the level. What would I expect ES to also and NQ to also move up towards a level when VIX is trying to reach a higher level? So I needed to wait for VIX to reject. So a few things that to work on if I'm going to use this trading style continuously, where I set up ES, NQ, and VIX. I need to make sure that I am at least following those trading rules, right? Where I, wait for the different zones to reach their levels before trying to actually place a directional trade. Because the levels were good. Like if we go back on this here, I think we had this one for default one. Boom, right? And then you look at VIX, right? Once VIX reach, where are my crosses? My crosshairs are not crosshairing. All right. So when VIX reached here, right? This is when NQES was actually finally at the level. But I was trying to get short on. I was trying to get long on ES when VIX was still up around here. Even though VIX was negative, VIX was still trying to move up. Right. So I'm trying to go long on NQ. trying to go long on NQ, trying to go long on NQ, and then we finally got to those into here, and then we start to see rejections on VIX. That's when ES and NQ start to give rejection. ES at a level over here, NQ at nothing, because apparently I didn't have anything there. But NQ basically at this little consolidation zone right here, which I did not mark because it didn't have any volume structure in it. But this little consolidation zone was enough because it's kind of, nope, not the same thing. Was enough because price halted and then moved. Let's look at it from this perspective of setup. Yeah, I don't have anything here that tells me this area should be of anything of significance important besides just the red candles here inside of this green thing. So, you know, this red sticks out. I would thought this one would have been more significant. But so there's nothing here that tells me this area is of importance. But price really didn't want to drop on NQ. I noticed that ES was very hard sprung for dropping, and NQ and VIX was very weak at rallying, but VIX was slowly getting there. And surely around noon it got there, did its thing, and then started reversing. Had to pull back and go, right? So ES followed those price actions, NQ just really just held. It was very being strong and fine. Maybe because of Tesla. Tesla had earnings on Wednesday night, so Thursday morning Tesla was like through the roof. So that's probably was that. So, but I think for me, I'm definitely gonna have to respect these levels that I draw. Price going to those levels, respecting the fact that price wants to go to those levels, and let price do their thing. So if price is rising here, maybe look for shorts. We were under, um, well, we weren't under yet, but we started showing selling. Yeah, we were under here, right? So maybe just look for shorts. But it is what it is. So let's set up these levels quickly. Let's do it. I'm gonna do it like the way I did it yesterday. So let me open up my simple trading chart. I like this. It's very more calm. It's a lot more calm and soothing versus the other ones with all the colors. I like the simplicity of it. So going back to my basics, let's delete that, delete these lines here. I do need my volume indicator, and probably can get rid of VWAP because I never used VWAP there. So boom, okay. Volume indicator is up. So I'm looking for transitional moves of volume. Right here we got buy and selling. So I'm gonna mark this, and it's already 9:03. So I'm gonna move a little faster. I was looking at something earlier. So let's zoom on. Boom, 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 volume. I like this one here. Um, so we're rising. We have an uptrend. We're going to these levels here that we're trying to tag. NQ is at the highs. ES is not. Um, where are the highs from yesterday's? Right here. Let me just copy the one that I already have up. Let's do that. So NQ ES filled this gap. NQ did not. Okay. In a sense, I'm done with this. I don't have anything else I want to add because I did mark these up here. Let me look a little closer. Let's see here. I like this. Buying with selling. Unlike that sell off. It's buying with selling. Like that. Let's mark it. So when I go to the 1 minute, uh, buying with selling again right here. This might be the one that I really focus on. Um, let's copy this, bring it over here. Let's bring this down to 10. Let's bring this over to 30. Nope. Do I have buying and selling up here? No, this is buying with buying. Um, so we're gonna kind of ignore that for now. I'll mark it nonetheless and come back to it. So yeah, so we're going up to that. I'd like to see some rejections somewhere around here. Let's go to in to the Q. All right, NQ, get rid of that. And keep probably have the same thing, buying with selling. Let's mark that. Boom. Nope. Nothing here catches my interest. That one's already been marked right there. Zoom out a bit. Let's go to this side. I like this. Yeah, that looks good. Zoom out a bit. I think that's pretty good. So um, let's go to a weekly chart. So we do have all the way up here is ATH. All-time highs. Go back to ES and add my all-time highs as well. It's the weekly. All right. Now we're going to go down to the regular candle chart and see what we're dealing with as far as those levels. So can't really do much with that. Did I mark this on NQ? I don't recall. Like that. Zoom out. I really like this on ES. I like this block. Maybe not. This one I do. I like this one. I like this block. Okay. Nine 30 was actually over here. NQ. 909. All right, moving kind of fast. Good. The high is actually dead on. That's good. I need to change that. That looks okay. We're gonna leave these the way they are. Doesn't look like it was a nice rejection area. Yep. Boom. All the way at freaking 2 o'clock. I think I remember this. I remember this. I do. Like I really like these candles here, but we don't get them often like this. Area that of interest. We miss it, 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 we miss it until Tuesday. We get it. Sucks, right? I need more opportunities. But I think these do give me more opportunities. I was looking for you, bad boy. Found you. All right, that's done. Let's go to the 5 minute chart. 5 minute chart. I didn't do anything with VIX. I get on VIX. Okay, this is it for my 5 minute. Just keep it like that. Usually that's all it is. Same thing. Come over here. What you like? That nice double bottom. Bam. Bam. Reversal. Very good double bottom. And trend break. Be gone. Those have been set. Okay. Let's add a little bit more time so we see the other stuff that we missed. I like this one right here. Okay. Stat. Yes. That's been set. Let me copy that. Copy that again. Don't need that. Nothing really here catches my attention. Let's see if I need to drag this bad boy over. Down there. Alright, I'll put it on here because the doji. Why not put it on the doji? Put it on the doji. Let's do a copy to see which one we more likely respected or we did respect. Okay, like the white one, the first one. I'm gonna grab you then. Come over here and whew, bam. Alright, it's okay to put it here because it's basically that area. Done. Okay. So those are those areas there. Let's go to VIX. All right. I don't see anything with VIX, so maybe we'll continue this downtrend on VIX. Got the lows, got the highs. Let's do some more lows, let's do some more highs. Looks like it's the low. Erase that. Bring it out. I don't know why I copied it. Let's go to regular standard chart. Yep, everything's looking like in order. So the 5 minutes. There goes blocks being spun. Like that. I'll down like this. Well, all right. All right, basically done. Uh, it's 7 o'clock. It's here. I'm gonna mark that 7 o'clock. The 7 o'clock look it runs deep on this one from like here to there. This is 7, right? Yeah. This area here needs to be interesting. Boom. All right. I am done with those. I'm going to add settlement price. Gonna go over my news. All right, settlement price for yes. Settlement price. Interesting place to close. The high was 5870 right there. This is the high. It's here. And the low was probably this here. Yeah, that was a low. Okay, 587. That's fine. We're not gonna bother with that. Let's do it in Q. Jump you over a day. Bam. All right, and then the highs are probably gonna be these over here. I don't see the high for this. Did I not do them? That's why I did those highs. All right, do them anyways. Oh, that's the high. Very nice spot, right? At a low. All right, bam. Okay, let's chop these up a bit because we're clearing through them. Like we're actually going to that overnight overnight session high for a rejection level. All right, I am done, and that's all she wrote. Okay, so I'm gonna let price do its thing. News wise, we had news at 8:30 that came out already. And alert, yes, is still rising. And then it's consumer sentiment at 10 o'clock, which is important. So that's basically it. So yesterday, like I said, horrible, 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 horrible day. News, 10 o'clock. Consumer sentiment. Consumer sentiment. All right, let me prepare my other screens for what I need. And that's it. So I'm done. That's my setup. Those are my levels. 23 minutes, not bad. Be back later in the evening. I didn't come in the evening yesterday because boy, I was in my emotions.